Number 8. What is the first term of an arithmetic sequence whose 19th term and 12th terms are 417 and 319 respectively? So alam natin ang ating arithmetic sequence. To find an, we use the formula a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So dito, binigay yung ating 12th and 19th term. So meron tayong a sub 12. This is, again, we're looking for a1. We don't know about that. Plus 12th term, diba? So n is 12. N minus 1 is 11. Yung d natin, we don't know. So meron tayong d. Let's do 11d. Is 11d. And by the way, yung ating a sub 12 is 319. So lagay ko lang dito, right? So 319 yan. Tapos yung ating 19th term, that is just 417. So meron kang 417 equals a sub 1 plus 19th. So 19 minus 1 is 18. So meron tayong 18d. So meron tayo dito actually dalawang equations, equation 1, equation 2. So ang gawin lang natin is solve lang natin, eliminate natin yung a sub 1. Right? Eliminate natin yung a sub 1 para makuha si d, and then balik natin siya later para makuha si a sub 1. So mangyayari, meron tayo, or if you want to eliminate d, pwede rin naman, no? Pero malaki kasi yung number ng d. Alright? Malaki kasi siya. So let's do a sub 1 first. So meron tayong 319 equals a sub 1 plus 11d. Tapos, meron tayong 417 equals a sub 1 plus 18d. So, subtract lang natin sila, guys. Meron tayong 319 minus 417. That gives us 98, no? Negative 98 equals, this gives you 7d. That's negative. So, divide natin siya both sides by negative 7. Negative 7. Yung d natin will be d equals 14. Yan. So, meron na tayong d. So, ang gagawin natin ulit, pick lang tayo, equation 1 or equation 2. But I'm using equation 1. No? Equation 1. Meron akong 319 equals a sub 1 plus 11. Ano yung d ko? 14, di ba? So, 14. So, I have now 319 equals a sub 1 plus ano yung 14 times 11? Ang 14 times 11 is 154 lang, right? Tapos, to solve for a sub 1, we're just gonna subtract 154 equals a sub 1. This will give you 165 equals a sub 1, which is letter A sa choices natin. So, number 8 is letter A.